Hello everyone, I'm Maratrika Bhaumik and I welcome you all to another episode of Courts Today on LiveLaw, where we update you about all the important legal developments that took place across the country today. We will begin with developments from the Supreme Court of India and then move on to High Courts and other subordinate courts. If you like our content, then it would mean a lot to us if you could please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. A review petition against the order acquitting the 3 men accused in the 2012 Chhawla gang rape was mentioned in the Supreme Court today before a bench comprising CJI D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice P.S. Narasimha. The council, highlighting the public's confidence has been shaken due to the conversion of the capital punishment to acquittal in this case, sought urgent listing of the matter. CJI D.Y. Chandrachud stated that he will take a call after going through the files. In a latest development in the ongoing face-off between the centre and the judiciary over the Collegium system, the Supreme Court of India today minced no words in expressing its abject disapproval of the comments made by the government functionaries against the Collegium system. A bench comprising Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul, A.S. Oka and Vikram Nath was hearing a contempt petition filed against the centre for not approving the Collegium recommendations within the timelines laid down by the Supreme Court. Significantly, the Supreme Court today underscored that the Collegium system is the law of the land which should be followed to the teeth, and that just because there are some sections of the society who do not approve of the Collegium system, that does not mean that it fails to be the law of the land. We have made a detailed video on this particular hearing, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Please do check it out. The Supreme Court of India has dismissed a curative petition filed by an organization Roots in Kashmir seeking probe into the killings of Kashmiri Pandits during the height of militancy in the valley during the year 1990s. The bench of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul and Justice S. Abdul Nazir observed that no case for interference has been made out within the parameters indicated in the Supreme Court's landmark decision in the case of Rupa Ashok Hurra versus Ashok Hurra. We have made a detailed video on this development as well, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Please do check it out. A court in Uttar Pradesh's Lucknow district has framed charges against Kerala journalist Siddique Kappan and 6 other accused persons in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act case, that is the PMLA case, under sections 3, that is offence of money laundering, and 4, that is punishment for money laundering of the Act. In October this year, the Lucknow Sessions Court had rejected the bail plea filed by Kappan in connection with this case initiated against him by the Enforcement Directorate. The Delhi High Court today issued notice to the centre on a petition filed by academic Ashok Swain, who is a professor of peace and conflict research at Uppsala University in Sweden, against the cancellation of his Overseas Citizenship of India card by the Indian Embassy. Justice Pratibha M. Singh at the very outset of the hearing said that she will issue notice at this stage. Swain, who is a UNESCO chair on International Water Corporation since 2007, was granted the OCI card on January 14, 2020. He has argued that he cannot be witch hunt for his views on the political dispensation of the current government or their policies. The Delhi High Court today issued summons in a suit filed by BharatPe, a leading fintech company and digital payment application, against its former managing director Ashnil Grover and his wife Madhuri Jain Grover and other individuals. The defendants in this suit are Grover, his wife, his brother-in-law and father-in-law. Justice Naveen Chhawla issued summons to the defendants and has also granted them 2 weeks' time to file their response to BharatPe's application seeking interim relief. The Maharashtra government has informed the Bombay High Court that the state has initiated an inquiry into the alleged disproportionate assets of former Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and his family. Government pleader Aruna Pai has informed the division bench comprising of Justice Dheeraj Thakur and Justice Valmiki Menzies that the Economic Offences Wing has initiated a preliminary inquiry into the complaint filed by one Gauri Bhide. Following the submission, the court reserved its decision on Bhide's PIL, seeking directions to the CBI as well as the ED to take cognizance of her complaint filed with the Mumbai police and take the investigation into their hands. The Delhi police today told the Delhi High Court that the recent discharge of activists Umar Khalid and Khalid Saifi in the Khajura's Khas FIR does not mean that there is a lack of evidence against them in the UAPA case alleging a larger conspiracy behind the 2020 Northeast Delhi riots. The submission was made by Special Public Prosecutor Amit Prasad before a special bench comprising of Justice Siddharth Mridul and Justice Rajneesh Bhatnagar, while opposing Khalid Saifi's bail plea in the FIR, which was registered under various offences of the Indian Penal Code as well as the stringent UAPA. Thank you. Keep watching Courts Today on LiveLaw for more such updates. See you tomorrow.